Hello everybody. Today we are discussing Chapter 1 from your textbook, and the title of this lecture is Characteristics of a Technical Document. Whether you write an email to your instructor to get directions for an assignment, or you write to someone to instruct them about what you want them to do, you already understand the importance of communication. Most communication taking place at workplaces is technical communication. Technical information is frequently communicated through documents such as proposals, emails, reports, memos, and manuals. To create a good technical document, you need to first understand the basic characteristics of technical communication. The important traits of technical writing include paying close attention to subject, audience, purpose, and style. Unlike other forms of communication, the subject of technical communication is always very specific and usually focused on a product. And similarly, the audience of technical communication is also a specific targeted audience. You have to pay close attention to who your audience is. Understanding who you are writing for will decide what you will say. Now let me bring your attention to this statement in the lecture notes right in front of you. Audience-related factors. Does your audience know enough about your subject to understand a detailed discussion, or do you need to limit the scope, the amount of technical detail, or the type of graphics you use? Understanding your subject will dictate what kind of document you write. And understanding your audience will dictate how much detail and information will go into that document, what kind of design or images you will include. Next important characteristic of technical writing is style. Technical writing does not use long sentences like creative writing does. Technical writing focuses on the delivery of the message through clear, short sentences. It uses simple nouns and active voice. Additionally, based on your project, you will use the specific style guidelines provided for the task. Along with style, technical documents follow very specific format. For example, let me bring this up here. This is the discussion assignment you have to complete this week. So for this discussion, you have to evaluate one of the infographics I provided. For this assignment, you have to use the specific format I requested. You will provide your responses in the same format as shown in the sample. Now let me bring the sample up here. This is the sample. Now each item will be categorized the way it is here. These small little titles, honesty, clarity, accuracy, will be followed by detailed explanation. Following this specific format will help your audience understand your response to each category. Now let me bring back the lecture notes. So that was one of the formats you are going to follow this week. Throughout this semester, you will be discussing other formats such as full block format, format used for memos, formats used in technical letters, APA formatting, and so on. For now, I conclude this lecture by re-emphasizing the 6 major characteristics of technical communication. It addresses particular readers. It helps readers solve problems. It reflects the organization's goal and culture. It is produced collaboratively. It uses design to increase readability. It consists of words or images or both.